Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and creating your central manager. Initialize CB Central Manager with a delegate so you receive state updates. This tells you when Bluetooth is powered on. Once the central reports, powered on, start scanning. You do this immediately, scanning before power on wastes time. Make sure to include NS Bluetooth always usage description in info. Plist, so the OS prompts the user. And check device, supports peripheral role if you need both roles. Once you can scan, filter, and select the correct peripheral. You typically scan with known service UUIDs for speed. If unknown, scan nil and check advertisement data for names or manufacturer data. When did discover fires, evaluate RSSI and identifying fields, then stop scanning to save battery and call Central Manager. Connect peripheral. Make sure to retain the peripheral reference so it doesn't deallocate. After connect succeeds, discover services with peripheral. Discover services because you need characteristic handles to read and write. You finish by discovering characteristics and exchanging data. After discovering services, call discover characteristics for each service and then read or write values, choosing, with response when you need confirmation. Subscribe to notifications for asynchronous updates using set notify value true. If writes fail, check the characteristic properties and peripheral MTU limits. Split payloads when necessary. Troubleshoot by confirming permissions, ensuring the peripheral isn't connected to another central, and using logs for BLE state and error codes to pinpoint.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.